1963 AMC Rambler, classic 550, two-door sedan. Slant 6 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped to power steering, power brakes, Offenhauser intake manifold, headers, 4-barrel carb. We'll get underneath the hood and I'll show you that here in just a bit. First of all, let's take a look at the chrome. Bright work up front. Looks to be in nice shape. Kind of a medium turquoise paint, I guess I would call this. And paint does show well in this car. It's kind of going for that old school drag car look. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside. Again, engine bay, interior, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, down in the description, there'll be a link. Click on that. That'll take you to our website. 507-386-1726. It's a number you can call. Like Salt Flat Special, they're called. 5-spoke polished wheels. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's kind of that salt flat speed car look. Old school drag car look. Pretty cool. We don't see a lot of these Ramblers come through here, and like I said, this one's done nicely. It's a little darker two-tone turquoise interior, bench seat, vinyl. I left the glove box open. I wanted to show you it does have one of the kind of hidden stereo systems to it with a CD player, and that is working. We'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you look underneath the hood, show you a little more detail about that interior. First, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for that extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome on the rear bumper, looking good. And again, you can see that paint has a nice shine to it. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You're not going to stumble across a lot of these when you're out and about, no doubt about that. It's also going to come with a folder, miscellaneous receipts for the past 4 or 5 years, service work, things that have been done, updated to it. So there's a folder with miscellaneous receipts. There's also an owner's manual. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side, and you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches, anything major. You might find an imperfection here or there, but overall, this paint definitely shows well. Let's take a little closer look at that interior. These are vinyl stickers. I'm leaving on there up to the previous owner, or excuse me, the next owner, if they'd like to remove them or not. We're gonna leave them on there, look them off easy enough. Door panel looking good. Carpeting in nice shape. And again, vinyl seats. Little bit of wear right there, but boy, very, very minimal. You can see free of any major rips, tears, or holes. But the headliner looking good. You'll be able to see still pictures of the back seat. Seat belt's intact. So nice shape on the interior too. Let's go ahead and fire this up here in a second. First of all, classic instruments gauges have been added. I want to show you stereo system is working over here. Kind of a head unit, and then a CD player, some aftermarket speakers under the dash. So nice setup. Then of course, with that glove box door closed, looks pretty stock. As far as the dash goes, blower fan does the work for the heat. And let's fire this up. Cool sounding car, and every time I've started this car, that's how it pops off. It just, boom, it's running. That was a cold start too, as you can see. Voltmeter, oil pressure, fuel gauge all appear to be working. And listen to this. Like I said, for a slant 6, good sound. Doors close and fit nicely. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust, just a nice sounding car. This car will definitely turn some heads, no doubt about that. And remember, this car, take it down the road, set the camera up in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will, show you how it drives out. But first, let's check out this engine bay. There, give you a look at the underside of the hood. And now for the engine bay. So, newer aluminum radiator. Here I was talking about that Offenhauser intake manifold, the headers. Newer carb 4-barrel electric choke. Polished valve cover. Newer alternator. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Battery disconnect over here for in between drives when it's in storage. Cool looking engine bay. Interesting car, 1963 AMC Rambler, 550 Classic, 2-door sedan. 507-386-1726, number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
How could I not like a 1963 AMC Rambler in this color with a slant 6 that's got an Offenhauser intake and header on it? This is just a cool car. It has a very unique sound, partly attributed to that header, I would think. She's an automatic on the column. You have nice gauges from Classic Instruments. Fuel gauge is working, showing half a tank. Oil pressure is about 70. Temperature is just coming off of 100 and the volts are at 14. Windshield wipers work on this car. We have a very comfortable vinyl bench seat in this Rambler. As you can tell, it's a little customized. Mostly looking stock from the outside and a lot of the interior as well, but nice, tasteful little modifications. This car rides nice and smooth. We have a soft ride for the highway. Just stay straight in the lane when you let go of the wheel. Our brakes aren't working very well. Even the headliner has a kind of a textured design to it that looks cool. AMC is just one of those companies. They thought for themselves and did things differently. They didn't copy a bunch of everybody else was doing. I kind of like that straight hot rod sound out of that slant 6. What a very, very fun car. We have new looking carpet. It's a well done AMC Rambler. Learn more about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.